Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and while it's been a minute since we've done a video of a monochromatic triple gloss black Cybertruck, today I have one to share with you that's actually a little bit different than all the other ones that we've done and have been doing. Check out this T-Max gloss black color change PPF to start. Wrap all the stainless steel panels using the T-Max film, and then go ahead and remove all the cladding, the front and rear bumpers, the arches, the rocker panels, and we send those off to our body shop to be smoothed out, prepped, and painted high gloss black to match the wrap. This takes the overall visual appearance to a whole new level, as you can see. Definitely super sexy, definitely very sleek. My favorite. Now, this customer also went ahead and purchased our 24-inch fully forged CTM wheels. These wheels look great on the Cybertruck. It's part of the triple black monochromatic program, but we started to add a little bit of his own personal taste, his own vision, and it all started with T-Max Uber Red film. So the Foundation Series badges are in Uber Red. And look at this nice little touch right here. Uber Red right around the center cap assembly, kind of tying that in. And here's a first for us. We put a Tesla logo on a Cybertruck. Pretty cool, and I love the location of it. In Uber Red, it just ties it all in, and it kind of creates that theme, as you can see. And as we come to the rear of the Cybertruck, this is a Cyber Beast. And we went ahead and recreated the Cyber Beast logo, the wolf heads, in Uber Red, a little bit oversized, right in the middle of the tailgate. And this right here is my personal favorite touch. The customer asked to be branded as well with our T-Sportline logo. So we went ahead and embossed our T-Sportline logo where the Foundation Series badge normally goes right here in the Cyber font. Subtle and super cool. Now, we did not stop there. This red theme carries on to the interior. Check this out. The 4 door panel inserts and the lower dash of the Cybertruck, which are normally white because this is a Foundation Series, have been reupholstered using Bentley red leather. Yes, the famous Bentley red leather. We've done so many interiors on Model S's and X's over the years, and now we're bringing it to the Cybertruck. So the inserts have been done, the lower dash has been done, the seat belts have been changed to new red webbing. So some really nice red touches, red accents on the exterior and on the interior. Pretty cool stuff. I love sharing with you guys something that we've never done before, and this one is really quite special. So this Cybertruck is not going to be hitting the streets in LA. This Cybertruck is actually going back home to Las Vegas, where it will be enjoyed and really be recognized on the streets out there. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing Cybertruck videos coming your way soon.